LEDMY be your complete supply chain in China. Founded in 2009, LEDMY Co. is a high-tech enterprise committed to the design and production of both high-efficiency and brightness linear lighting, including LED strip lights, LED rigid bars, LED panel lights, and LED ceiling lights. Comprising of an area of nearly 10,000 square meters, with approximately 400 highly trained employees, LEDMY can provide customized LED lighting solutions for commercial, industrial, and residential lighting for a multitude of applications. LEDMY has significant experience in providing customers with OEM and ODM solutions, answering numerous installation, specification, and specialist industry requirements. In order to continuously improve our capabilities for providing diverse and customized products, we established an engineering and manufacturing base in Dongguan City in 2015. LEDMY have also invested heavily in a state-of-the-art, dust-free LED packaging workshop designed to support production of LED chips in strict accordance with ANSI standards. Guaranteeing strict raw material selection, LEDMY always uses 99.99% purity gold wire to ensure the stable conductivity and improve resistance to high and low temperature. LEDMY LEDs deliver high light purity and strictly controlled color temperature range based upon the center point of the black body line, and accuracy of the XY chromaticity coordinates is carefully controlled. For more detailed information, please do not hesitate to ask your sales representative about how LEDMY are able to guarantee our color consistency and 1 to 3 SDCM binning. The LEDMY LED strip manufacturing workshop is equipped with high-speed Sony SMT equipment and high-precision temperature-controlled reflow soldering machines. Automated large-scale production equipment shortens finished product delivery time to within 15 to 20 working days and allows for 100% QC inspection of each step of manufacturing to ensure zero failure rate and high-quality color consistency. To exceed customer expectations, LEDMY are also equipped with automatic soldering equipment, improving the reliability of the product and stability of key joints within the PCB circuits. In addition to highly trained quality assurance employees, checking each stage of production, all strip lights will undergo a 2 to 8 hour aging test prior to packaging. In order to provide different IP grades ranging from IP62 to IP68, LEDMY is equipped with state-of-the-art manufacturing equipment, utilizing cutting-edge technology to offer anti-yellowing, resistance to high and low temperature, and waterproofing for special applications. LEDMY is recognized as one of the leading manufacturers, producing products with an IP grade of IP68. As well as the IP ratings, LEDMY produces numerous types of LED strip lights, which can be used in various LED fixtures and channels to create a diverse array of lighting products and applications including LED panel light, LED linear lights, LED ceiling lights, etc. Consider LEDMY as a one-stop shop offering complete sets of LED lighting products either as a finished fixture or high-quality components. In addition to high-tech and professional production process, LEDMY boasts a technical inspection center with daily calibrated testing equipment and a stringent quality control system for raw materials, semi-finished products, and finished products. LEDMY has continued to develop a certification profile, including UL listing, as well as ISO 9001, FCC, CE, and ROHS certification. Having established a business network spanning more than 50 countries and regions, including the United States, Britain, France, Germany, Australia, and Spain, LEDMY are looking forward to providing high levels of service and quality products to clients with tailored LED products. If your company requires standard LED strip lights or panel lights, LEDMY carry an extensive selection of products in stock to satisfy various specification requirements. LEDMY can also provide OEM and ODM customization, including engineering support, product design, and additional LED technology solutions. In addition, LEDMY offers customized LED light solutions that can act as the ideal light engine for your specific application needs.